Earthquakes occur all over the world, in particular at plate boundaries. So this is the Pacific Ocean, and if you go to the side where Japan is here, what you get is two boundaries actually moving against each other. And when that occurs, you get two types of wave, a P wave and an S wave, and they can shake buildings. As you can see, the tall building, its natural frequency is quite low. So the small building is fine, but the tall building would collapse, resulting in catastrophe. Higher frequencies, the smaller building starts to resonate. This one's resonating and starting to collapse, while you're quite safe in the tall building. What do structural engineers do to try to stop buildings like this from collapsing? Put shear walls in here to solidify the building. Here it's added shear walls there and there. Normally they'd be at the bottom covering this area. So we're going to set this off at the same frequency and watch how much it vibrates. You can see there's very little vibration compared to the previous one.